Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think it is very likely to either make a running flat wave C, which would bring us up to one of these two Fibonacci extensions, making a lower high, or I think it's going to make an expanding flat wave C, which would go up to the 178, 161.8, which would make a higher high of these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a nice little uptrend. I'm still looking at this possibly as a wave 1 of wave 3. I still think this is a WXY, possibly 2 of 3. I still think this weekly time frame will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, whether it's a wave 3 of an expanding flat or a running flat will be the question. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now that we have the breaker structure on the 4 hour or the daily and the 4 hour time frame, I think we definitely do have the end of a trend, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1. And it definitely did end around the high of the previous correction, which is exactly where wave 1 should end. So more than likely we are in a wave 2 right now. Now we are at the 38.2, but I would actually assume that it would probably make a deeper correction, maybe even a 50 or a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement before it actually did end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you could kind of consider this three waves down. So if it does respect this fib level, if it does go up, if it does break structure, you could definitely be looking for longs, and then you could learn and earn at the same time whether it makes it cuts into this move down, three waves up and pulse it down and continues the downtrend, or hopefully you could learn and earn at the same time whether it just keeps on going up, breaking this structure, which would help prove that this is the end of a wave C on the higher time frames. Now, I think that it's probably more likely that it will either keep drifting down from here, or even if it does drift up, it's more likely probably just a crescent to this last move down. I would definitely be looking for shorts unless this way up here, this high of, this 4 hour time frame swing high gets broken. I would definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now if you are a shorter time frame trader and you do see this go up, you do see it break structure, then you could definitely look for longs while you learn and earn at the same time, whether it makes an A, a B, and a C. You could be looking for longs. Then if it goes up to a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, breaks structure to the downside, then you could stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again because that would prove the ABC scenario. On the other hand, if it does break structure, it could possibly make a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going up and break this structure, which will prove that maybe we are back into the uptrend on the higher time frames. Now, this all relies on a break of structure. If you do not see a break of structure, you definitely, especially if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, should be looking for shorts. If you see another lower high, especially if it's three waves up, then definitely continue to look for shorts until you either get a break of structure or it makes another lower high or a very significant higher low. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.